Hello children, welcome to the grammar class. Today we are going to see about the topic adjectives which we saw in our first class. Now we are going to do a revision class on this topic adjectives. I hope you all remember the words which describe about the nouns. Those words are called adjectives. I hope you all remember this children. Let's get started. Read the passage and answer the questions. Rahi, elephant and bird are standing over there. Rahi is telling, look at this pink scarf. It is my favorite color. I will buy it. Rahi is telling, look at this pink scarf. It is my favorite color. I will buy it. Elephant is telling, look at these silver rings. I want them. Elephant is telling, it is looking at silver rings and it wants them. Bird, I want these large green sunglasses and the golden crown. Here we see bird describing about the sunglasses as large green, and it also wants golden crown. We can see golden crown over the right end of the image, and the sunglasses is holding, bird is holding the sunglasses in its beak. So let's move on to the question. What is the color of the scarf? What was the color of the scarf? Rahi is telling, look at this pink scarf. So color of the scarf is pink. What is the color of the rings that the elephant likes? Look at these silver rings. I want them. So elephant likes silver rings. What word does the bird use to describe the size of the sunglasses? I want these large green sunglasses. Bird is telling, I want these large green sunglasses. Here the question is, what word does the bird use to describe the size of the sunglasses? Describe means to tell. Size of the sunglasses. Here we know the sunglasses large and green. So what is the size of the sunglasses? Large. So the color of the scarf is pink. The color of the rings elephant like is silver, and bird uses the word large to describe the size of the sunglasses. So what are these words? These words are adjectives. They tell us something about the first. Pink tells about the color of the scarf. Silver tells about the color of the ring that elephant likes. Large tells about the size of the sunglasses. It's simple, children. Another set similar to the old one. Here we see, read these sentences. We rode a red bus in London. John is a kind boy. The square table costs 2000 rupees. These bold sentences, we see three different sentences. In that first sentence, we rode a red bus in London. The word red tells us the color of the bus. It describes about the noun bus. Okay, here red tells us about the color of the bus which they rode in London. John is a kind boy. Kind tells us about the quality of the John. And square table cost 2000 rupees. The shape of the square is told by the word square. So the word red, square and kind are adjectives. Adjectives describes nouns. Adjectives tell us about the special qualities of the noun. What are the special qualities mean? Like kind, good, bad, like this. What they also tell us about the color, shape and size of the noun. What are the color? Example, red. Shape means square, circle, triangle, and size means small, big, large. These words comes under adjectives. Common adjectives those are. Now comes to numbers. We randomly see many sentences as tell us about the numbers in the sentence. Okay, the rainbow has 7 colors. We know, we all saw rainbow with fascination, and rainbow will have several colors. Exactly how many colors are there? There are 7 colors are there. Okay, second sentence, two sisters went to the market. Two sisters went to the market. Here the 2 represent the number of sisters went to the market, and 7 represent number of color present in the rainbow. So they tell some information, the number of something. They tell us the information, the number of something about the noun. So these words also describe the noun, and we know that since the words describe the noun are adjectives, here the 7 and 2 are adjectives. Adjectives can also tell us how much or how many things there are. Like we saw earlier, how many people walking, like that. Here are some examples. Please put some sugar in the bowl. The city of Bangalore has many gardens. Here some sugar tells us about to add some quantity of sugar. Here the amount is told by the word some, and city of Bangalore has many gardens. That many also tells us about the amount of gardens. So whenever it comes to amount, what I told, they are about the person or about the thing. If it is about the noun, then they are descriptive words, so they are adjectives. So some and many are adjectives for the nouns sugar and gardens. To find the adjectives in a sentence, first find the noun or the pronoun. Now if you are given a sentence, children, we have to find the noun and the pronoun of the sentence. Then we have to look for the words which describe that person or thing. These words are adjectives. Let's look at the example. My grandfather has a big black typewriter. Here we see a person and a typewriter is a thing. So here there are words big, black. My grandfather has a big black typewriter. So big and black are the size and color of the typewriter. If it is size and color, it is describing about something, right? We have to look for the words which describe a person or a thing. So big and black describe the typewriter. So these words are adjectives. So big, black are adjective. Big and black are adjectives in this sentence. Similarly, he came with red car. Here he is a pronoun, came with red car. Car is also another noun. Here red represent the color of the car. So the car is the thing over here. So the word red describes the color which of the car. So red is also an adjective in the sentence. Like this we can find the adjectives in the sentence. You understood that, children? Very clear. We have to find the noun, and then we have to find the words which describe the noun. Those are the adjectives. It is very simple, children. Now we'll go to the exercise. Before going to the exercise, please take out your classwork notebook. In the classwork notebook, fill up your first page. What is your classwork notebook will look like means, it is a 4-ruled notebook. 160 pages. It is a 4-ruled notebook, 160 pages. Please take it and fill the first page. Write down your name under the name row. Write your class 3 and the index table, write serial number 1, put respective date, and lesson number 1 adjectives. Write down lesson number 1 adjectives. Okay, after the index page, leave another paper and start right side with the fresh page. In the center of the first line, write lesson 1 adjectives. Lesson number 1 adjectives. So next line, put Roman numeral 1, fill in the blanks with given adjectives. Fill in the blanks with given adjectives. Okay, we have to fill the blanks with the given adjectives. We are looking into the what are the adjectives we are given with. Old, cold, faithful, funny. Old, cold, faithful, funny. Faithful means loyal. Funny means it's like comedy. So okay, first question, write down, start with capital letter and always end the sentence with a full stop. Don't forget, children, start with capital letter and end with full stop the sentence. First sentence, the dash weather is making me shiver. The dash weather is making me shiver. In which weather will feel chills and will shiver? That is cold weather. Yes, cold weather is making me shiver. The dash man walks with the help of his walking stick. Which people will walks with the help of walking stick? Old people, right? So old is an apt adjective here. So old man walks with the help of his walking stick. What a dash film it was. What a dash film it was. We have two options, faithful and funny. We say what a funny film it was. What a funny film it was. It because comedy film. Fourth, dog is a dash animal. Dog is a faithful animal because it will be loyal in nature. Is that correct, children? It's easy. Similar to this exercise, we have another exercise as your homework. The boy had dash hair. The boy had dash hair. Blue, long, round, black. What do you think which is correct in this situation? Long hair, no. Round hair, no. Black hair may be correct. So this is your homework, children. Put the Roman numeral 2, fill in the blanks with given adjective and complete this as your homework. Put the third Roman, underline all the adjectives in the sentences. We have to underline all the adjectives in the sentences. First sentence, please give me some rice in small bowl. Please give me some rice. Some rice. Here some represents the amount of rice. Small tells us about the size of the bowl. So some and small are the adjectives here. So we underline them. So second sentence, the black cat ate some bread and many biscuit. The black cat. So black is the color. Color means it represents the cat. So black is an adjective. Ate some bread. Some is also adjective we saw before. And many biscuits. Many also describe the amount of the biscuits. If it describing the biscuits amount, then it should be an adjective. Okay. Third sentence, please give me some money. Please give me some. Some is an adjective. And money is a noun. Fourth, the young man drinks a lot of milk every day. Young man. Young man. Young denotes the age of the man, which is a telling it is not much elder person. So it is telling young man. So young is a descriptive word which describe the age of the person. So young is a egg is an adjective. Drinks a lot of milk. A lot tells about the quantity of milk. If it tells about something of milk, then it must be an adjective. A lot. Similarly, question number 5, 6, 7, 8. We have to underline the adjectives in the sentence 5, 6, 7, 8 as homework, children. Do it sincerely with the above tips I have given above. It is very easy, children. You have to look for the nouns and the words which describe the nouns. Those are adjectives. Last, we will do a quick recall for everything we done in this class. First, we must not forget that adjectives tells us more about noun or pronoun. Adjective tells us more about noun or pronoun. Second point is they describe the quality or nature of person or things. It tells us about the quality of the person or quality of thing or nature of the person or nature of the thing. They tell us about how much or how many of something there is. We already heard the quantities, the amount of something tells us they are adjectives. Numbers are also adjectives. The rainbow has 7 colors. Two sisters went to market. Here 7 and 2 represents adjectives. So don't forget, children. This is the end of today's class. I hope you all understood it. Stay home, stay safe.